What's up guys, welcome to Siargao, the hipster's capital of the world. It also reminds me of Bali before it became Bali. Siargao has so much going for: beautiful views, perfect surfing waves and very good food for vegans and vegetarians. The island is considerably sized, so be sure to know your way. First of all, hit General Luna area where you can book accommodation and chill around Cloud9 for restaurants and cool people. Next, hop on your scooter and head to the secret palm tree down by the lazy river and swing away. You can take slow kayak rides on the river surrounded by the jungle. The place is highly Instagrammable and yes, a drone is required. Now, Siargao sees a lot of rain and it's unpredictable, so always pack a raincoat for your scooter rides. Magpupungko rock pools. The timing of your visit is imperative. The rock pools are tidal pools, so this means they are exposed during low tide and submerged at high tide, so know your tides. The crystal clear water had me speechless. It is an epic area with coves, caves and cliff jumping. Drone required, people. Along the way to the pools you will pass through huge forest of palm trees with scenic views and secluded beaches. Siargao will blow you away as it is the perfect location to spend a good 6 to 7 days.